Natural resources.
Everything which can be used to fulfill our needs is a resource.
Resources are broadly divided into three types, namely natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Natural resources are resources that are obtained from nature and are used without much changes. These resources occur naturally on Earth. For example, the water from seas, lakes, the light from sun, etc. Natural resources are further subdivided into four parts on the basis of their first, level of development and how we use them in practical life. Second, origin or occurrence. Third, stock or the amount of resources available for use. And lastly, distribution, which means where can we find these resources? On the basis of level of development and use. Actual resources. Resources whose quantity is known and used by us at present using advanced technology. Example, petrol in West Asia, windmills in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat coast, coal in Andhra Pradesh. Potential resources. Resources whose quantity is not known and not being used because of lack of technology to extract them are called potential resources. Example, uranium in Jammu and Kashmir. On the basis of origin. Abiotic resources. Non-living resources are called abiotic resources. They do not move, grow and breathe. Example, soil, rock. Biotic resources. Living resources are called biotic resources. They breathe, move and grow in size. Example, plant, animal. On the basis of stock. Renewable resources. Resources which can be restored or fill up quickly are called renewable resources. Example, water, soil. Non-renewable resources. Resources which have limited stock and once finished they take thousands of years to restore are called non-renewable resources. Example, coal, petroleum. On the basis of distribution. Ubiquitous resources. These resources are present everywhere on Earth. They are free of cost and available for all. Example, air. Localized resources. Resources that are found only at certain specific places. Example, iron ore found in Deccan, India only.